Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. Well done for all your efforts last week. It's great to read some of your introductions and get to know some of you better. This is definitely important in terms of collaborating well together as a group. And I noticed a lot of you have very hectic schedules, so awesome work for getting on there and posting and introducing yourself and getting involved in the first activity. In terms of the first activity, it was great to see some of the collages that you guys put together. I appreciate the effort, and it was great to see lots of links to Soren and Galloway from last TP. So awesome to see that you're pulling all the information together that you've covered so far. And it was also really good to see that there was balanced views. So the aspects of the image and how it's influenced by time, culture, location, things like that. So lots of you also noted the shift to a heavily IT dependent society and culture, I suppose. So it's definitely impacting childhood and how things are done and different behaviours for students and children. I just quickly wanted to mention sort of what I will be hoping that you guys are doing on your end. Every week you will have your learning materials on the discussion board and in Blackboard, sorry. So make sure that you're staying on top of those, and this is something that you're doing independently. So look at the readings, read them. If you have any questions or you want to discuss them, feel free to do so with the rest of the group. And I will aim to provide you a summary of the kind of key points that we're looking for you guys to pick up as well. So hopefully that can keep you on track. We're also going to have fortnightly discussions, and they will start soon. So that's really exciting. So that's for anyone that wants to get online and have a chat with some of the ELAs about the topics and get a further understanding of them, and I'll provide you with more info on those to follow. In terms of the assignments, there will be 2 collaborative sessions. These will be in weeks 3 and 8, and in weeks 2 and 7 the pre-recordings will be released, and it's really important for you guys to listen to those pre-recordings before the actual collaborate sessions. So I've just posted the link to the pre-recording for our first assessment. This week we're focusing on development and physical growth. This is an extension of the last TP of Unit EDU 1007, where we were looking at early childhood. We're now looking at the middle childhood bracket, and that's really looking at the motor skills, language development skills, cognitive skills, and then moral development, which links to the activity that you guys are partaking in this week. So where a sister is faced with a moral dilemma. So this is really good so far. I'm loving reading what you guys have written so far and hoping to get lots more input and collaboration there. Now I know the readings this week are quite heavy, so try to stay on top of them. The first reading is really, really good and content rich, and I highly recommend that you read that one. The second reading is linked to socialisation, and is a really good start to get your head around the first assessment. So do have a look at this, but we will expand on this more in week 3. So I suppose for you guys to consider this week is how age-based categorisation is influencing education, and probably the most sort of areas that are being influenced is sort of sports and NAP plans. So a couple of things for you to think about while you're going through your readings and thinking about the different ideas. Anyway, excellent work to those who have already started collaborating and posting and responding to this week's activity, and I'll chat to you guys soon.